Okay, so we've got our gutters set up over there. First thing we're going to do is open the propane valve. We're going to open it all the way up. We're going to make sure that we have propane. The other one has a valve gauge. This one doesn't. You know, if you run out of it, you know, this will feel much lighter. In order to change this over here, you just pull this through the little knob, undo it here, put the next one in, back and around. Make sure that this little rubber thing right here is facing like this so that it's not banging and vibrating. So now in order to start this, we're going to put this over to prime, and we're going to push this 5 seconds twice, and then we're going to come over here to run. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to pull. Now that we have that going, we're going to turn the power on. Turn our red switch on. It doesn't get tight, that's enough to touch it. And we don't want it to get caked. And we've got our back together. We're going to pick this up. Be careful not to just try it from the bottom. Pick it up from the middle and work it up so that it doesn't put too much pressure on the fin so it's just crack. Okay? So when we're ready, we're going to turn on our switch. I'm going to put that back to stop, and I'm going to close our valve. Okay, so Ron is going to tell us a little bit of some of the things to watch out for when you are using that pipe. This gutter, unfortunately, has a gutter helmet on it, so we really can't suck it out. Plus, there's no leaves in it, I'm sure. There's no trees around. So, so Ron, what are some of the things that we need to pay attention to when we are sucking, if you want to demonstrate anything with the pipe or whatever?
One of the main things is when you're sucking leaves, when you first
see how he picked that up nice?
Put the machine up on the gutter and start sucking the leaves, you can hear it and also you can feel the suction in the tube. Once you've gone over it a few times and you put it back in again, you can tell the difference in the suction and in the flow of this. You can feel it's just only air and it's not any leaves coming through it. And also, if you put the end of the leaf back, the suction flat against the bottom surface of the gutters, you can feel a really strong suction, like if you put your hand there. And that's how you can tell if there's any leaves remaining or if you clean the area completely. Once you're finished, and you can also tell by the suction when the canister is starting to fill up. When it starts to be less of a suction, you notice it's full. And you turn your machine off, and there's two handles on each side. You unplug the vac top, you grab both handles, and you just lift it up and sit it on the ground, and your leaves will be here, and you can take You take the hose out. You take the canister into the woods if you're dumping, or if you're sitting into the bucket, you dump it in there. And then once it's empty, you put it back securely. Plug up the machine. Both plugs once again. And turn it back on, and you're ready to go. Start continuing on.
Okay.